Hey, Blue Bear family. I'm President Davis, Dr. Anthony J. Davis, the 13th president. And this is a very, very special message to all of my recent graduates, especially the class of 2025. Hey, I want to say congratulations, job well done. You've now joined the ranks of educated men and women. And I'm excited about what will happen in your life if you go out into the world demonstrating who Livingstonians really are: resilient, relevant, and ready. Because now, as you exit this institution, you have the capacity to compete and contribute in a global context with competence and confidence. I'm excited. The world might not be ready for you, so please blaze your own trails. I'd like to offer an opportunity to every recent graduate. In your graduation program, there was a special announcement. And I know you missed it because you were all excited about walking across that stage. I want all of you to go back to your graduation programs, and in it, you will find an invitation to be a part of our postgraduate network, all a part of our Career Readiness Institute. Our job, or better yet, our desire is that you not leave this institution unemployed and underemployed. I want the best for you. So please feel free to scan the barcode and connect to the Career Readiness Institute, Professor Naila McDowell. And what she will do is make sure that we get the adequate information and you can receive information from us talking about or speaking to job opportunities or graduate school opportunities. In other words, there's no reason for you to be sitting on your mother's or your grandmother's couch. You need to leverage that degree for upward mobility. And I'm also sending this message to all recent graduates from 2020 to 2025. There's a 5-year window when you can leverage these services. So again, don't be underemployed and unemployed. Contact the Career Readiness Institute, the Postgraduate Network. And hey, before I go, I gotta ask you that question. Who you with? LC?